do fillers make your face look fake? Look at some of these celebrity faces that look so different from how they used to look. Does this happen to everyone? Can it be avoided? Will you also look like this if you get fillers done? Let's talk about it. I'm Dr. Aniketh Venkataram, plastic surgeon at the Venkat Centre for Skin, ENT and Plastic Surgery, Bangalore. So firstly, what are fillers? Fillers are basically a jelly-like material that come in a syringe. We inject that where we want to fill it out. And that's why it's called a filler. This is a simple procedure used to make your face look younger. Now, what do we mean by face looking younger? There are a few different things that happen in the face as you get older. Firstly, you lose volume, so parts of your area look a little bit more empty than they used to. Secondly, you have some sagging, wherein tissues which are higher start coming down, and your face which is triangular starts becoming more squarish. Thirdly, you start having more lines and wrinkles. So these are the different changes that happen with aging. So how can fillers improve this? Well, fillers can help in two ways. One, they can help restore volume. So where you're looking a little empty, such as the under eye area or into these lines, fillers can add volume and improve that. Secondly, fillers can help lift a little bit. Not too much, but they can give a little bit of a lifting effect and make your face look younger that way. So how are fillers done? It's a simple process without any anesthesia. It takes 15 minutes to do. You come get it done and you're back to your routine immediately. There's no time off, there's no recovery time. And this is why people really like this. The fillers last for around 1 year and then you might have to get it repeated. So this is one of the most popular procedures worldwide because it is simple, it is effective, and it gives instant results. However, there is always a dark side. This is good only when it is done well by the right person. When it is not done well, it can have problems. What do we mean by problems? Firstly, there can be complications wherein you can have skin necrosis, you can have infections. All these happen if it is not done properly. The second type of problems, which is the focus of this video, is when it is done correctly, but it is done too much. People don't know how much they should inject and they try to inject too much. Look at, for example, this photo of Madonna and how her face looks right now. Look at some of these other celebrity photos. They all look very weird. Why is this? This is what happens when you do too much filler. Remember what I said about there being different factors in facial aging. When you try to correct everything with just filler, this is what can happen. Wherein your face will become smooth, but it looks weird and stretched. We call this a pillow face. These are people who have 10, 15, 20 syringes of filler pumped into their face. They are trying to avoid getting other treatments done. For someone whose face is very sagging, you actually require a lift which might require surgery. And they're trying to avoid surgery and try to do everything non-surgically. And because of that, you start having these weird looking faces. So how do we avoid this? This can be avoided by knowing the limitations of fillers, knowing how much you are supposed to do. Everything is good in moderation. Fillers are good as long as they're being used for their intended purpose. So there's no point plumping someone's face with so much filler. You give the filler till a level where it gives its benefit. And anything further might require other treatments. For lifting, you might require thread lifts, you might require face lifts. So this is where you need to understand that each procedure has its place. So does this mean that your face will also look like this? Not at all. Have a look at this patient of ours. We've done just 3 syringes in this patient, in the under eye area and into these lines over here. She looks natural, she still looks like herself, she looks like a better version of herself. And this is what happens when the filler is done correctly as per the required indications of the patient. So what is the take-home message? The take-home message is everything is good in moderation. Find a surgeon who understands this and gives you a treatment plan as per your needs and your best interests, and isn't just simply looking to push as many syringes as possible on you. So look for a doctor who is experienced in fillers and who has these credentials. I hope you liked this video. If you'd like to know more about this procedure, do get in touch with us. Let us know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see. Thank you. Have a great day.